Until now, you've been the sovereign of your laptop. Wipe the DB, rerun a scenario, pretend nothing happened. Mainnet laughs at do-overs. When you hit publish, the package hash embeds itself in an immutable global ledger. If the upgrade cap is wrong, you may lose the right to patch. If the gas budget is missized, the TX aborts and users stare at a spinner forever. A production deployment, therefore, isn't click run. It's a checklist, a CI job, a cold wallet ritual, a live monitor. This lesson walks you through every stage: DevNet smoke test, testnet rehearsal, mainnet launch, on-chain health probes, rollback strategy. Do it once manually to learn, then script it so the 10th rollout is as boring as the first. Your future self and every user who stakes money or reputation on your dApp will thank you. SUI offers 4 stages of reality. Local net is literally 4 validators running in your terminal. If a test corrupts state, you Ctrl-C and restart. DevNet is a public playground. Free tokens, frequent chain wipes, ideal for QA or hackathon demos. Testnet turns up the pressure. Gas price mimics mainnet, epoch length matches production, and resets happen only on protocol upgrades. Great for throughput benchmarks and final security audits. Mainnet is the real economy. No faucet, every SUI counts, no resets, ever. A deterministic pipeline graduates code through these rings of fire. If it breaks on DevNet, you catch it. If it survives testnet, you trust it. Only then do you sign with a cold wallet for mainnet. CI/CD in Web3 is about confidence propagation. A green build means your unit tests, scenario flows, and prover specs all hold. The pipeline then auto-publishes to DevNet using a hot wallet seated in action secrets. Cheap tokens, no risk. A Discord webhook pings #devdeploy. For testnet, we add friction. A reviewer clicks approve. The workflow loads a multi-sig key from HashiCorp Vault, executes a dry run, posts gas deltas, and finally runs SAI client publish. Monitoring bots replay a regression suite that creates listings, buys them, checks fee accounting. If everything passes, the cold wallet custodian appears, could be one human with a ledger or 2 of 3 multisig, and signs the mainnet publish. We tag git v 1.30 mainnet, cut release notes, and point dashboards at the new package ID. One pipeline, no heroic midnight deploys. Before you even glance at the ledger screen, walk the checklist. Is the upgrade cap right where you think it is? Confirm by SUI client object. Did marketing freeze the package ID into the front-end config before publish? If yes, the app will point to an object that doesn't exist. Swap order, publish first, then commit the ID. Gas. Your dry run said 3K units, but price can spike. Set 6K or risk user errors. Prover green. If supply can overflow, fix now or pay forever. Emit events. Document them so indexers don't crash on unknown fields. Finally, point Grafana or Datadog at full node metrics. Bad RPC latency or rising abort codes are smoke before the fire. Technology is half the story. Ops is the other. Publish your audit or at least a summary so users know you take risks seriously. Kick off a bug bounty. Even $5,000 rewards scare away cheap black hat attempts. Decide how you'll hit the kill switch. A 24-hour time-locked upgrade cap gives honest developers space to patch while letting users withdraw if you ghost. Treasury wallet? Make it a 2 of 3 or 3 of 5 multi-sig, keys in different continents. No single laptop compromise takes the funds. Key backups. 1 in a fireproof box, 1 encrypted in Glacier, 1 QR split in 2 with Shamir secret sharing. Lastly, communication. Wire your on-call Slack to status page. Have pre-written Twitter copy for pausing marketplace due to bug number 123. Fund safe. ETA 2 hours. Users forgive downtime, not silence. In CI, we don't call SUI move build twice. We compile once and dump the modules into base 64, which travels cleanly through YAML and artifacts. The publisher address comes from an environment variable. The key sits encrypted in repository secrets. We run SUI client publish, capture JSON, and grep out the new package ID and upgrade cap. Those IDs go into a GitHub artifact so later stages, front-end deploy, E2 tests, can read them. By greffing rather than hard-coding, you avoid human copy-paste bugs. This workflow checks out code, installs the SUI CLI via Mistin's verified action, runs all tests in the prover. If the branch is main, we import a devnet private key stored as a repo secret, call a shell script that wraps the publish flow we saw earlier, then ping Discord on success. Failure anywhere short-circuits the job, leaving a red cross in Slack so nobody merges broken bytecode. Mainnet deserves ceremony. We build offline on an air-gapped laptop, produce an unsigned JSON blob, and sign it with a ledger. The private key never touches disk. The signed BCS file is sneaker netted to an online machine for broadcast. The dry run to publish TX combo tells the CLI to construct the TX but not send. Your script should verify the gas estimate and human-readable summary inside the JSON before signing. The launch isn't over when block 0 XABC commits. Now you keep it alive. Scrape full node metrics for RPC P95 latency. Spikes usually signal node memory leaks. Pipe events into Prometheus, track daily fees, seller counts, and abort code histograms. If abort code 0, RID collision, fires 5 times a minute, you likely hit a denial attack. Page dev on call. Watch the upgrade cap object. Its owner field should never change except during planned upgrades. Schedule a keeper cron or gelato bot that runs a pruning TX nightly. Listings older than 30 days are canceled. Storage refunded. This keeps state lean and costs near zero gas.